Hey everybody, today is May 29, 2020, and today's project is see if we can maybe straighten up the monument for Ephraim and Myram Wetherby. So we're gonna see if we can excavate on the left edge here, get a sling under it, and we'll bring out the chain hoist and lift it upright. We're back to work on the Wetherby monument, getting it upright or plumb. So I got the chain hoist up, I got the safety chains on, I got the pads, wooden blocks underneath it to keep it from sinking in soft ground. During excavation we found, and I recall it was there, the remnants of the base for this footstone. And you can see that it's broken off, and it had this one's got a metal pin in it, so we'll probably address that later. And so we're roughly level right now. And when I was digging, excavating down to the, see where I could hook on this strap, see how far the monument went down to the ground. So you see that piece of stone there, it's marble. And so I just lifted it up and brushed it off a little bit. And see if you can see that. I am almost certain that that is a footstone. Initials on it are EBW, which match up with Ephraim B. Wetherby. And so that was laid across underneath this big granite monument. Underneath it appears to be a limestone foundation, and basically it's all busted up, and which is common up here, the freezing, the thawing, it just under the weight of it all, it just settles into that black dirt and just starts disintegrating. So it's quite possible that maybe Ephraim's marker was here first, and when Miriam passed away, maybe she didn't even have a marble style footstone like this, and they put up these granite markers and footstones. Well, we've got Ephraim and Miriam all plumbed up as best possible. This would go a lot faster if I wasn't such a perfectionist and slow to find out that, you know, these slabs just aren't cut perfectly square. So it's got a slight taper on each side. So I was trying to level one side and the other side would go off. And anyway, so we found a happy medium, and we probably lifted it up, oh, I don't know, 6-8 inches on the left side. So we'll take down the hoist and the sling, pack some gravel around it, put some black dirt in, and then also figure out what to do with this footstone. And we'll also straighten up, I think this is Ephraim over on the right, father on that side, and this one was mother. But you can also see, this is what I found a couple of years ago, is this was actually tipped upside down, kind of at a weird frickin' angle. And when I pulled it out, you can see just a massive gash in the side of this footstone. And I can only assume that that's in some way, shape, or form mechanical damage. But and you can even see scrapes across here and scrapes across here. And I'm 99.9% sure that's mechanical damage. We'll get the Wetherbys all packed in with a new bed of aggregate, fix the black dirt, fix the headstones, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Well, you can tell based on the shadows on the ground here of me and on the monuments. Oh, it's been a few hours I've been at this, but we do have the Wetherby monument as plumb as possible. You can see kind of the grass line, the dirt line on how much we raised it. We also raised Ephraim's footstone out of the, well, you can see the base of it was completely buried. You can see the dirt line, so, you know, we probably raised that up, 10, 12 inches almost. We'll do the same with Miriam's footstone. We'll need to reposition that, but also get some epoxy. It looks like a fairly clean fracture that I think I can salvage that limestone base. So here you have Ephraim and Miriam Wetherby back in a relatively plumb vertical position. No more leaning, and hope it stays that way for a couple hundred years, or hopefully nobody have to write that again. So thanks for watching, and as always, do what you can in your local cemeteries to help maintain, conserve, preserve, just keep them in tidy order. Thanks much.